Are you looking for the best USB microphones? In this video we will look at some of the best USB microphones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Rode NT-USB. The Rode NT-USB is a versatile side address microphone that may be used to record a wide range of vocals in various situations. The Rode NT-USB is about 520 grams in weight. There is no need to place anything in front of it because a built-in pop filter is fantastic. There's also a headphone port for no latency monitoring, which is useful if you listen to your speech or run the audio via your computer, desktop, or laptop. In terms of setup, this is one of the simplest microphones to use. All you have to do is connect the included wire and USB to your computer, laptop, tablet, or even smartphone. So, if you want to record a podcast on your iPad or smartphone, you don't need to invest in a Zoom recorder, a mixer, or anything else. It will sound great if you plug it into whichever device you wish to record with. If you have a MacBook Pro, it also comes with a USB cable that will be long enough and USB-C to USB first generation or USB 2, which you can change out for USB-C to USB-C. You'll also receive a stand for the microphone, which is similar to a tabletop desk stand and is magnetic, which is fantastic. Number 2. Maono PM461 TR. The Maono PM461 TR comes with many accessories, including a tripod stand, a windsock, and a 4-foot long connecting USB cable. The included tripod and windsock make this microphone ready to use straight out of the box. The Maono PM461 TR USB has a sleek matte black finish with an easy-to-access gain knob on the front in terms of look and design. The USB is fully plastic and doesn't feel extremely durable in build quality. This is a fantastic microphone for recording stringed instruments in crystal clear detail. Noise cancellation is well above standard. However, it will work wonders if you record in a soundproof room. Alternatively, any programs like Ableton/Audacity may be used to eliminate unwanted little ambient noises from the audio. The USB microphone may be identified by a Windows or Mac system instantaneously and start filming in less than a moment, with no extra driver programs or external storage devices necessary. While doing voiceover work or live streaming, a superior construction design podcasting microphone with solid tripod support is useful. Simply extend the tripod and connect it to the microphone. The 180-degree high flexibility allows the user to change the inclination to your preference. Number 3. Fifine K669B. The Fifine K669B microphone is included with a tripod stand and a 6-foot USB cable for setup. Connecting the tripod stand to your laptop and the USB connection to your laptop is also simple with this microphone. The Fifine K669B boasts a polished matte black finish with front-mounted volume control for convenient access. The Fifine USB has remarkable build performance for the budget, with a strong, sturdy metal structure that seems durable enough to endure a long time. When playing chat apps or filming speech, the Playing Games Microphone 4PS4 with an extra volume knob has a stronger production and is, therefore, more responsive, so your sound will be recognized clearly. Even without a 48V phantom power source with this USB-powered condenser microphone for filming, it works well enough with Cortana, Discord, voice messaging, and speech detection. Number 4. Tonor TC777 USB Microphone. A shock mount bracket tripod stand, a pop filter, and a windsock are included with the Tonor TC777 USB microphone. The added tripod makes it simple to set up this microphone, not to mention the ability to swap between the pop filter and windsock. The Tonor TC777 has a sleek and straightforward appearance, with a blue finish and a shining black grille. When it comes to building quality, the Tonor USB microphone is adequate. It is made of plastic and seems pretty lightweight, yet it is also extremely robust. The TC777 has a USB 2.0 data interface and does not need further drivers. Ideal for video conferencing, distant learning, broadcasting, messaging, podcasting, filming, Zooming, Skype, and YouTube video, among other things. The cardioid pickup design of this microphone catches the precise, clean, and sharp audio in front of it while suppressing undesired ambient noise. Number 5. Blue Snowball Ice USB Microphone. The Blue Snowball Ice USB microphone has tripod support and a 6-foot detachable cord. Establishing this microphone is a delight for any video maker or streamer. Screw in the tripod, attach the cord, and you're prepared to go. The Blue Snowball Ice USB microphone is the greatest in terms of appearance and functionality. When it comes to building durability, this microphone is robust. It has a plastic build, and the branding seems cheap, but it still appears to be a product that will last a long time. It also has a trendy vintage appearance that looks fantastic on your computer and camera. Recording or streaming in style with vintage recording equipment appearance that appears well on your computer and camera. The retractable desktop base lets you place the condenser microphone about the audio generator, boosting audio clarity while preserving desktop capacity for the best broadcasting configuration. Number 6. Aokeo USB Microphone Kit. The Aokeo USB Microphone Kit includes a boom arm, shock mount, pop filter, windsock, and a detachable cable 6 feet long. The boom arm configuration is ideal for singers and streamers who want to stay linked to their desks without sacrificing desk space. Their Aokeo USB microphone is a sleek and classy style and design with a matte black finish, and it looks much better when completely set up. The simple design also enables a headphone input in the microphone. The Aokeo is a robust microphone with a strong metal housing that seems tough enough to endure for a long time in building quality. The boom arm, on the other hand, is excellent.